Good morning, everyone. As all of us know, we are doing virtual celebration of Fit India School Week. Under this program, today our esteemed Principal Sir, Shri B.A. Londe Sir, is going to address you all on the topic Youth and the Power of Fitness. As all of us know very well that youth is the future of India, and if the youth of our country remains fit, then there is no way in which our nation will not be fit and healthy. So here we go. Principals.
Honorable Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, New Delhi. Deputy Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner, my staff members, parents and dear students. You know, we are the integral part of Fit India movement since last 1 year, and on the successful completion of 1 year, we are celebrating Fit India Week from 1st December 2020 to 6th December 2020 virtually. You know, we people are facing the great pandemic situation in the world from March 2020. But still, we have not stopped our activities, and we are always able to face the challenges which is either caused by the nature or caused with the human tendency. Don't worry. Always there is solution to each and every problem. Today, I virtually welcome to all the stakeholders of the schools, and I am very happy to have an interaction in that with the parents and students. Dear students, the task which is given to me, that is the importance of Fit India, or open letter to the youth about the fitness and your progress, how you can do it. You know very well that health is the most important aspect of our life. If we are fit, then we can hit everything. But if we are unfit, then everything will hit us. So be careful and strengthen yourself with the fitness. You know what you can do for the fitness? Daily, you can walk, you can do cycling, you can do swimming exercises, you can play games on grounds, you can play even indoor games to maintain your mental health, and do yogic exercises like pranayam and various postures which is useful for you. Fitness is the key to success. It is always stated, and it is right. You just imagine if a minor part of your body like nail, tooth or even hair is suffering from any disease, then you will be in trouble. Then why can't you focus on the important parts of your body like heart, brain, stomach, intestine, etc. Actually, what happens when we have trouble, we have pain with leg or hand, ear, eye, that we can guess, we can inform, and we can apply some medicines also. But as and when there are problems in your heart, brain or any inner part of the body, then surely we are not able to observe it, we are not able to understand it easily. And when we are having such kind of troubles, then we are suffering a lot. It is really very matter of worry that in the young age, just 20, 24, 28, we people are having experiences we are observing in the society that in such a young age, the children are meeting with the very great problem, that is heart attack. And nowadays, the children are always complaining that I am having trouble with my stomach, I am having problem with my legs, and I am not able to walk properly or sleep properly. This is really the matter of worry, because if such kind of problems are there, it straightly shows that you are not fit. So maintain fitness is an important task. Just spare 60 minutes. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and CBSE has already told you that you have to spare 60 minutes for the fitness of yourself. Actually, we are not focusing on fitness because there is very simple reason. The body is gifted free of cost. When we are purchasing something from market like computer, laptop, clothes, mobile phone, whatever it is there, car, bike, then we are taking lot of care. We are doing regular services, we are cleaning the vehicles regularly, but the body is gifted by the nature freely. That's why we are not focusing on it and we don't want to maintain it. So you see, you just try to maintain your body, and in such young age, you may not have any kind of complaint regarding your body. If your body is not fit, then surely you will not be able to concentrate on the study. And if your study get hampered, then surely you will be in trouble in future. Now, the people to whom you are observing in the community, that is the politicians, filmmakers, heroes of the movies, heroes of the serials, players of the games like cricket, hockey, football, tennis, or even chess. If you go through their regular schedule, then they have given particular time for the fitness. They are maintaining their body, they are maintaining their stamina, even they are increasing their stamina with the proper fitness. Then why don't you focus on the fitness? So you go for that. Do daily exercises, especially in the morning or in the evening. Yeah, I can understand. Now there is trouble or the grounds are not open. But up to some extent, the exercises are permitted. So you can walk, you can do cycling, or you can do whatever exercises you want to do. But you keep one thing in mind. You don't do exercises a lot in a day. Just do the exercises as per your capacity. You don't compare the capacity with others. And if you are having pain with any part of the body, then you immediately stop that exercises till to recover the pain. Otherwise, you will have problem. And if possible, do the exercises under the guidance of expert person. If you are doing so, then surely you will be fit. And if you are fit, then the whole country, the whole nation, or the whole world may be fit. And if we are fit, then we will be ready to accept all the challenges. We will be ready to make the progress. We will be ready to reach the greater height, and India will be the most powerful country in the world. It is based just on your fitness. Now this is the time to speak to the parents, because virtually I am connected with uncountable parents. And as and when any administrator gets such kind of opportunities, then I must clear you some issues related to the educational progress of your child. Dear parents, though the situation is adverse, but still the teachers of Kendriya Vidyalaya maintain it very properly, and I am proud that the teachers have imparted the knowledge very properly to the students through online mode. Now, the session is going to conclude soon. Half of the session is over. The term end examination and unit test we have conducted virtually. The results have also been intimated to you through online platform. Very important task now I am going to share with you, that we are going to conduct virtually pre-board 1 for class 10th and 12th from 7th December 2020. It means there may be question in your mind that there is COVID-19 situation, the students are not able to focus on their studies and all, but be careful and be alert that Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is not going to stop any kind of activities, because it is just favor in the progress of your students. So what I want to state you, that the board examination will be at the dates which were we having previously, means in the month of February and March. Most probably the board examination of class 10th and 12th will be commenced. So you take care of your children. Now almost the course is over. What I got information from the students and parents and what I observed from the classes, then I come to know the course is almost finished of class 12th. The task of revision is going on, and you also just concentrate on the students. You just look after properly whether your ward is studying, whether he is dedicating time to study or not. Yeah, many parents are asking questions to me that due to the mobile, the children are distracted. I am very sorry to say that there is no fault of the inventor, but it is absolutely the fault of user. If we control your child to use the mobile, very simple task is that. As and when requirement of the study, you permit the child to use the mobile, and if there is no need, then you ban the child to use the mobile and keep the mobile switching off at the place where you can see. That's it. Very simple task is there. Then you will be able to solve all the problems. Yes. Second thing, in the last speech also I told you that the task to invigilate to your student is up to you. As and when papers will be sent to your mobile, or if the situation permits, if it is offline, then there is no issue. But if it is online, then you have to invigilate your child. And I am very happy and I am very clear with my vision that in the school, for 50 or 60 students, there is one invigilator. Yes, the ratio is very high. But at your home, one child is having minimum 2-3 invigilators. It means you just count in a mathematical way, then thousands of times the duty of invigilation may be done in a very proper way. You give proper atmosphere to your child to write the examinations. You maintain silence at home. You maintain proper atmosphere to the child, otherwise he or she may not be able to solve the paper properly. And as and when the paper finishes, you just send to the concerned teacher, he will evaluate it and the mark list will be sent to your mobile. Even we are going to conduct your practical sessions also in the school as and when the situation permits. I am very happy to tell you that physically the school is absolutely ready for all activities. If the parents are visiting to the school by some ways or some important work, then they might have been observed that we have installed sanitizers, we have marked the land, we have kept each and everything ready for the students as and when they are coming to the school. So you just go through all the instructions which we are sharing regularly, and I wish only the progress of the child at each and every stage. So I got this wonderful opportunity to speak to you, and I hope that you will follow each and every instructions which is given by the teachers as well as by me. So on this occasion of celebration of Fit India, I wishes the greatest fitness to my Indian children and to the parents also. You will surprised to know that day-wise activities have been planned in this Fit India celebration. The teachers will share you link, the teachers will share you the tasks, and the parents, please cooperate and help the child to complete the task. One very important aspect I forget to share with you, that though the school is virtually, though we are conducting classes online, but I am very happy that there is 90+% attendance in each and every classes. And you will surprised to know that class 1, which is very new to the school, the students are only virtually known to the teachers, and the teachers are also familiar to virtually only with the students, but the attendance and attention of the students is really the matter of acceptance and appraisal, because these parents are taking lot of pain to get the knowledge to their child, and homework and all assignments they are helping the students, they are taking proper care, they are integral part of the study, and that's why the class 1 students are also virtually studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya. This is really the matter of appraisal for students as well as parents, and almost for the teachers. So be alert, be careful, and be fit for the nation. Jai Hind.